Let's denote the given integral by in. Now integrating by parts, the first term is the integral of e raised power x, which is e raised power x, times x minus 1 raised to the power n, and this is between the limits 0 to 1, minus integral 0 to 1, the integral of e raised power x, which is e raised power x, times the derivative of x minus 1 raised to the power n, which is n times x minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1. Putting in the limits in the first integral, we get e times 1 minus 1 raised to the power n minus e raised to the power 0 times 0 minus 1 raised to the power n, minus the second term, which is n times integral 0 to 1 e raised to the power x minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1. The first term simplifies and is equal to minus of minus raised to the power n, and the integral in the second term can be expressed as in minus 1 because it is the same as in with n replaced by n minus 1. We therefore have a recursive relationship connecting in and in minus 1, and let's denote this by result 1. Now I1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 e raised to the power x times x minus 1 dx. Integrating by parts, we get x minus 1 times e raised to the power x, this is between the limits 0 to 1, minus integral 0 to 1 e raised to the power x times the derivative of x minus 1, which is 1. This is equal to 1 minus 1 times e minus brackets 0 minus 1 times e raised to the power 0 minus the integral of e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x between the limits 0 to 1. Therefore, the value of I1 simplifies to 1 minus brackets e minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus e. Let's call this result 2. Now putting n is equal to 2 in result 1, we get I2 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 times I1. Substituting the value of I1 obtained in result 2, we get I2 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 times 2 minus e, which is equal to minus 5 plus 2e. Let's call this result 3. Again going back to result 1 and putting n is equal to 3, we get the value of I3 equal to 1 minus 3I2. Substituting the value of I2 from result 3, we get I3 is equal to 1 minus 3 times minus 5 plus 2e. This simplifies to 16 minus 6e. And so the value of n for which in is equal to 16 minus 6e is 3, which is the required answer.